Hello and welcome. It is my pleasure today to introduce to all of you the Regional Vice President from the Ekal Central Region, Srimati Yashaswini Desai. Yashaswini Di is an IT professional who has great passion for a variety of things, including meditation, yoga, and most importantly, seva. She has contributed her precious time to volunteering tremendously in the Chicago area and now is also using it to inspire our ground teams at ACL. Yashaswini ji, namaste. It is such a pleasure to have you here. Namaste.
Namaste, Ranjini ji. Thank you very much. It is my pleasure to be part of Ekal Vidyalay.
Fantastic. And you are part of the central team, which is led by, I think your mentor was Srimati Jyotsna Ben Shah. Is that right?
She is still.
I know. She's quite a mentor for all of us. And I think you have a wonderful team in central area. Could you outline the chapters that are there in the central area?
Sure. So first of all, I like to say Kamlesh Bhai. He is Kamlesh Bhai Shah. He is our board member in Ekal. Then we have Hasmukh Ji Shah and Josna Ji Shah. Dr. Hasmukh Bhai is also leading Gramothan effort.
Exactly.
Right. We have total 5 chapters in Chicago and metropolitan area and nearby. So first of all, we have South chapter led by Dr. Nishendu Bhai. North chapter is led by Krutiji Patel. The third chapter we have is Bloomington, Illinois, and led by Dr. Brahmaji. Fourth chapter is in Springfield, Illinois, which is led by Dr. Dharmendraji. Fifth one is in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, led by Sriramji Kelkar. And we also have other team members, for example, Ankita Ji Shah, and she's also leading Ekal event and social media efforts. So we have, and we have so many great volunteers, I tell you, fantastic and very dynamic and energetic people here.
I have met some of them when I came to your conference, and I think it was just tremendous to see the energy there. Now, usually volunteers always, do a lot of work to spread the message of Ekal in the area, and of course, do a lot of fundraising effort. By the way, we have Ekal Ke Sur coming up on March 13th, and we look forward to that. But you particularly went to India with Dr. Hasmukh Shah and Jyotsna Ben and visited an integrated village development, which is actually, for those of you who may not know, we take a set of 30 villages and provide Ekal Vidyalayas, that is the schools, Arogya, which is our health services, and Gramothan into those 30 villages to bring about holistic development. And I think you visited one such project in Dedia Fada. Is that right? Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Great. I mean, I tell you, it's really, really energizing event when I went there. So January 7th, 8th, 2021, I visited Bharat, Narmada district in Gujarat state, Dediyapada Taluka, Sagbara village. So these are the tribal portion of Sagbara area. And I was so much happy to see this development. We have done work here in US. We are collecting fundraiser, but when you go personally and see with your eyes, it's amazing experience. So number one, what I saw was a training centers in computers. For example, computer training center. Again, that was led by Sonal Ben, and she was Sonal ji, and she's also like a 22, 23 years young girl. I mean, young lady. And I was so much amazed to see that. Second thing I saw was a tailoring center. Again, that was also led by another young lady. So, and then third thing I saw was a Arogya Sanyojika, we call. So in other words, they are health related professionals, and they help in village how to keep things clean and health related things, right? And that was also Lakshmi Ben. So that was another Nari Shakti I saw.
So it seems like not only in the Chicago chapter where Nari is certainly running very, very strong, also on the ground, I think the success of Ekal owes it a lot to the women, right? And I think
Yes.
beyond that, I think you were so moved. So what I think you were inspired, you told me, to actually keep in touch with them. So you continue to do that. Could you tell us what has been your interaction after you returned here?
Absolutely. I was missing them, and I created that bonding with those people. So I occasionally I talk to them, how are things going with them, and then I talk to Dr. Hasmukhji Shah that I want to remain in touch with that. How can I do that? And I tell you, as a very good team here, Hasmukh uncle said, okay, yeah, why don't you start leading this, every bi-weekly or bi-weekly or monthly efforts. So I started calling them and talking to them. So every month now I talk to those people. They are doing the yoga shibir, training shibir, and and lot of things are happening in these villages. So when we are staying here in US, once we have given the donation, we are just stopping ourselves at that point. What I suggest here, it's a really fabulous when you go and see yourself that how much impact you are making in everyone over there. But not only there, here I feel that I am really making wise use of my time every single day. So
Wow.
volunteering is very important.
And I think one day you actually saw an Ekal of Wheels in action. Am I right about that?
Yes. So the second phase of my visit was in Vadodara district, Baroda, and village is called as Chota Udaipur.
Mhm.
And they had inauguration of a bus Ekal on wheels around, I think, 12th January. And
Okay.
it was awesome. There also we visited small villages, and the Ekal kids, they really did excellent performance show to show us that showcase what they are doing, how they are doing.
Yeah.
And it's amazing to see how each dollar is invested to blossom these young kids.
Okay.
And that is amazing that Ekal is doing.
That's wonderful. So, and then you had a remote, I think, Zoom session with an Ekal on Wheels. Is that right? The one that was inaugurated, you actually talked to I think the teacher and everything. Is that right from here?
Yes. So even last month, when I had session with them, actually I talked to them. I talked to the Arogya Sevika, and there were 3 Arogya Sevikas came to meet on that session. How they are doing? They are young girls, young ladies, I would say,
Yeah.
like 21, 22, and they are looking for some guidance. And
Wow.
when we are talking to them how we do, and it's just a very normal talk,
Right.
what we do, right?
Right.
And inspiring them, motivate them, and that's a very amazing thing. I think everybody from US,
Yeah.
whosoever can get some time to give to your Ekal,
Yeah.
I think besides money, this is another thing. And that's what I really love, working in the rural and tribal Vanvasis
Wonderful. So to
area.
hear that you are able to do that, you're actually hands-on, in that, and it sounds like they valued the interaction as much as you did, and that I think is very, very wonderful to hear. So really, I think you're inspiring all of us to connect with any state, right? Like the language that you know, because we have presence in every state in India. So hopefully our volunteers can actually do the same thing that you're doing to inspire our teachers and our Arogya Sevikas and the skill trainers, and who you are saying are mostly women. So I think as we are coming up to Women's Day, we can see that Ekal USA and Ekal India is quite successful because of the women who are running it. So kudos to you. Thank you, SG, for sharing this wonderful tale and sharing all the wonderful pictures. And maybe next year we can find out what progress has happened in these villages, because Aankho Dekha Hal is much better than just a report of numbers. So look forward to that next year, and look forward to all the wonderful activities that you're doing at Ekal in the central region. Any final message for our other volunteers?
Absolutely. So I would say whatever work we are doing here, and when we connect with our own experience, how Bharat is doing, how the villages are doing. When we do that and when we talk to our donors here, right? So when I went, I showed pictures to some of the donors here and motivate them, inspire them. So your dollar is invested and then ROI, return on investment, is huge. So this is a message I want to give to the Ekal. Donate your time, put your passion. God has given so many things to us. We are not going to take anything with us except the good work, the good karmas, right? And this is Niswart Seva. Ekal, when you are doing things will happen anywhere, but just don't give up this. This is our nature. This is our true sanskaras, to do the good work, do the seva. And please keep on doing that. Connect with the donors, connect with the Vanavistar, wherever I have gone. And I really feel that I'm privileged to become part of this organization.
Fantastic. Well, Ekal is blessed to have you. The Ekal villages are blessed to have you. So thank you, Yashaswini ji, for inspiring us, and look forward to all the wonderful things that are going to happen in 2021. So Mangalam Shubham. Namaste.
Mangalam Shubham. Thank you.